Wishing everyone a very happy World Heart Day. I'm Dr. Nihar Mehta. I'm a consultant cardiologist at Justlock Hospital and Research Center. Today I want to give everyone a very important message. And the important message is that the time has come for us not to neglect our health anymore. We have lived in fear long enough and our health has suffered tremendously. Initially, a lot of hospitals were available to us, but now every time we have any difficulty in breathing or any chest discomfort, our initial reflex is, should I go to the hospital or not? Will the hospital take me in or not? Are there beds or not? Now I want to put everyone's fears at rest, because irrespective of the current pandemic and the current situation in the city, the doors of Justlock Hospital are wide open for all our patients. We have had to remind patients that people still get heart diseases, people still get heart attacks, they still get difficulty in breathing because of the heart, they still can get high blood pressure. Now, it's time that we don't neglect these diseases anymore. We've had several cases in the last 3 to 4 months of patients who've come with massive attacks because they neglected chest pain, and they've come to the hospital, we've done their emergency procedures and sent them home very comfortably. We are running a very successful program called the Code PAMI. Now, PAMI stands for a primary angioplasty in a heart attack, which means that when a patient gets a heart attack, we don't say, oh, what is their COVID status? Should we be taking this patient up or not? We have a fixed protocol where we decide if the best option for the patient is to get an angioplasty or a stent put in immediately and suck out the clots immediately. We take all the necessary precautions for the doctors, the staff and the patient to ensure that there is no cross infection and the patient simultaneously gets the best care possible. We've done several cases. The youngest patient we did just a few weeks ago was 32. The oldest patient was around 72, 73 years old. All had chest pain. They have a breathless. We did not think that, oh, is this patient likely to be COVID or not? But they got the best care possible. They went home in 3 days or 4 days with absolutely open coronary arteries. We've also had patients who were COVID, who had heart attacks or had multiple blockages requiring angioplasties, and we've treated them also successfully. So our hospital has segregated areas into red, orange and green zones, and patients are segregated based on whether they have COVID or they don't have COVID, and therefore they are kept completely separate. So, like I said in the beginning, now it's time that our fears are kept at bay, we not neglect our health anymore, and we come back to our initial practices of taking care of our health, taking care of our blood pressure, and at the same time approaching the hospital whenever needed. We are here, we are open for you all 24/7. Thank you very much.